National Center for Health Statistics reports that the mean systolic blood pressure for males 35 to 44 years of age is 128, and the standard deviation in this population is 15.
Now that she has all of her data, she can begin the test. The first step is to determine the population and parameter of interest. She has already established that the population of interest is males 35 to 44, because that is the population that was used in the study. As far as the parameter goes, mean is the most appropriate factor to use in this instance, so we'll use the means to set up our null and alternative hypothesis. So our null hypothesis, the statement that is said to be true, will be HO mu equals 128, and our alternative hypothesis, the statement we suspect to be true, will be HA mu does not equal 28. Step 2 consists of determining the appropriate inference procedure and verifying the conditions. Since the standard deviation is known, we will need to conduct a one-sample z-test. Since the data comes from the population of interest, and since the central limit theorem tells us that our sample size will give us an approximately normal distribution, all conditions have been met. Step 3 is performing the inference procedure. For a one-sample z-statistic, we find the z-value for our data by dividing the difference of the mean of your data and the mean set to represent the population by the quotient of the standard deviation divided by the square root of your sample size. In our case, the test looks like this. Then we complete the test by finding the p-value for our z-statistics. This is a two-sided p-value, so it will look like this. Boom. Interpret your results in the context of the problem. More than 27% of the time, an SRS of size 72 from the general male population would have a mean blood pressure of at least as far from 128 as that of the executive sample.
The observed mean 126.07 is therefore not good evidence to reject HO and state that executives differ from the results of the study.
Something right now.
Tell him it's good. Okay.
Part of our project.
Enjoyed it. No,